In quiet rural landscapes, a process begins far from the factory floor. This is where the story of donkey meat cheese takes shape.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we go inside a donkey meat cheese factory to explore the complete process from raw material to finished product.
Diet plays a critical role in the final product. Balanced nutrition ensures uniform raw material. Regular inspections help maintain strict standards. Only selected animals move forward in the process. When ready, transportation begins under controlled conditions. The journey to the processing facility is carefully managed.
Movement is kept steady to reduce stress and maintain quality. Every step is designed to protect the raw material. The environment changes as the process moves closer to industrial production. But this is only the beginning. At the factory, precision replaces open landscapes. Here, raw material enters a controlled system. Access is tightly controlled to maintain hygiene standards. Every entry point is monitored. Inside, sanitation defines every surface. The environment is engineered for safety and consistency. Raw material is stored under strict temperature control. Conditions must remain stable before transformation begins. Powerful machinery stands ready for the next phase. This is where transformation will accelerate. Everything is now in place for processing to begin. But before that can happen, the raw material must be prepared further.
The meat is transferred onto processing lines. Movement is steady to maintain consistency. Each piece is visually inspected before further handling. Only uniform cuts proceed forward.
Trimming removes unwanted material from the surface. This step ensures a cleaner base for processing.
Washing removes surface impurities. Cleanliness is reinforced at every stage.
Moisture helps prepare the surface for further cutting. Even small details affect the next steps. Each cut is standardized in size and shape. Uniformity supports consistent transformation.
The system organizes material into precise flows. Order is essential at this stage. Short-term chilling stabilizes the material. Temperature control prevents degradation. Heavy machinery takes over from manual preparation. This is where the process intensifies.
The raw material begins to take a new form. Texture now becomes the key factor. Grinding breaks down the structure into uniform consistency. This transformation is essential for the next phase.
We're showing a slight fluctuation in the mix.
It's within tolerance, let it ride.
Mechanical mixing ensures even distribution of components. Consistency becomes the primary objective.
Additional elements are introduced with precision. Each component influences the final composition.
The structure begins to change at a microscopic level. Blending refines the material into a workable base.
Production is scaled through parallel systems. Uniformity is maintained across large volumes.
Once mixed, the material moves forward without delay. Timing is critical to maintain texture.
Emulsification refines the mixture into a smoother consistency. This step defines the final structure.
The material now reaches a highly uniform state. Texture becomes consistent throughout. Closed systems maintain hygiene and control. The process moves seamlessly between stages. Heat is applied to stabilize the structure. Temperature must remain carefully balanced. Controlled heating initiates chemical changes. These reactions are essential for transformation.
Continuous movement prevents uneven processing. Uniform heat distribution is maintained.
The material transitions toward shaping systems. Flow must remain uninterrupted. Surface uniformity is carefully controlled. Even small variations are corrected instantly.
Portioning defines the final shape. Precision ensures identical output. Cooling begins to stabilize the structure. The material starts to solidify.
Temperature reduction locks in the new form. Consistency depends on controlled cooling.
The product now holds its shape. Structure has fully transitioned.
Core manufacturing is now complete. The next stage will refine and perfect every detail. Human inspection adds an additional layer of control. Trained eyes detect what machines may miss.
Spacing allows air to circulate evenly. Controlled exposure supports further refinement.
The blocks enter a regulated aging environment. Humidity and airflow are carefully balanced.
Environmental conditions influence internal transformation. Even minor variations are controlled.
Climate systems maintain exact conditions. Precision extends beyond the product itself. The outer layer begins to stabilize. This stage defines durability and consistency.
Surface cleaning maintains uniform appearance. Small imperfections are corrected early.
The process continues deeper into controlled aging. Time now becomes a critical factor.
Refinement brings consistency to every block. The product approaches its final state. Advanced imaging systems analyze surface quality. Even minor defects are detected instantly.
Manual inspection adds an extra layer of verification. Each piece is carefully examined by trained workers.
Texture testing ensures proper structural consistency. Firmness must match exact specifications. Each unit is weighed for uniformity. Consistency is critical for final packaging.
Only precise measurements are accepted. Variations are immediately identified.
Density must remain uniform throughout the block. This ensures stability during storage.
Safety checks eliminate any foreign contaminants. Every unit must meet strict safety regulations. The surface now shows complete refinement. Every detail has been carefully controlled.
Final finishing improves visual consistency. Presentation matters as much as structure.
Each product is digitally recorded for traceability. Tracking ensures accountability across the system.
The throughput in Sector 4 is spiking again.
I see it. Reroute the excess capacity to auxiliary processing immediately.
Uniformity defines the finished product. Every block now meets exact specifications.
Quality has been fully verified. The final stage will prepare it for delivery.
Vacuum sealing protects the product from contamination. It also extends shelf life during transport.
Barcodes allow seamless tracking through distribution. Each item is digitally recorded.
Labels are applied for identification and tracking. Every product carries essential information. Boxes are sealed to secure the contents. Protection continues beyond the factory line.
Palletizing organizes large volumes efficiently. It prepares the product for bulk transport.
The product now moves toward retail markets. The journey continues beyond the factory.
Distribution begins from the loading dock. Cold chain transport maintains product integrity.
Finished products are stored under controlled conditions. Temperature stability preserves quality.
Careful with this one, it's heavy.
Got it. Where does produce go?
Aisle 3, near the back.
Products are displayed in temperature-controlled units. Presentation supports both safety and accessibility. The final product is now ready for selection. Consistency reflects the entire process behind it.
The journey ends where it began, transformation realized. A complex industrial process, now part of everyday use.